Hi, so I came across this interesting video and I thought I should share this with you because it really shows how you can have intelligent workflows and using GenAI agents which can help you save on tool costs. So this example is basically for a referral agent, and this is like any product company, SaaS company, right? Web tools. Basically, this agent, and I'll play the video for you. Basically, it will check the new people who have signed up and it kind of decide who are the other people in the same company. Any kind of enterprise software buy-in would mean that if there are other people who are also going to be using the software, they also need to be given a free trial for the decision to happen faster, right? And so it checks that and then does the outreach to them. It's a perfect example of what we call product-led marketing. I mean, of course, like the way to do product, like the purest way to do product-led marketing is to get the person who's using the product share about the product by himself or by herself, right? But this is another route for that. And let's have a look at this video and the workflow so that so let's have a listen.
In fact, it turns every one user that I have that signs up to Triggerfy and turns that into a potential 3 users. And I call it the referral agent. So let's go through this and break it down. If you want it, comment below. I will send you the file.
Okay, first of all, what you're seeing here is a typical workflow builder, which is available if you look at softwares like Make.com, for example, is one of the more popular workflow management softwares, which can help you to build like workflows like this and connect different tools.
It's really, really simple, and we're using 3 tools for this. We're using Apollo, we're using Lead Magic, and we're using Smart Lead, and obviously an LLM in there. So the first thing that's happening is we're receiving a webhook. This webhook is coming from our authentication provider, which is Clerk. But in your use case, you could do it whenever someone signs up for a newsletter, whenever someone signs up for your product, whether it's using Auth0, Clerk, basically when someone new has come into an ecosystem that you own. What it's doing then is it's sending this data through to an AI agent. Here we are using ChatGPT, we're just using 4.0 for this one. It's a very, very simple one. So here we're asking it to go and find 1 to 2 people from this company, and we're giving the email address of the person that has come in. We don't want it to find the actual person that's come in, but we want it to find the 1 or 2 people from that company. And here we're going to give it the departments that we're interested in. So we're saying, okay, hey, I'm interested in finding people from director level and up within the following departments. Growth, I actually say it could be head of growth or senior, marketing, sales, CEO, CRO, COO, and founder is what we're interested at here at Triggerfy. Once that happens, we're actually using what we call like a structured output. So we take the data from Apollo. So what's going to happen here is the system is going to create all of those different titles and search through Apollo's database, which is what we're doing here. And once it's got that, it then formats it in this kind of structured JSON output. It seems complicated, but it's really, really not. And I can share you that screenshot there, or that screen code. From there, once it finds the 2 people, it then sends it through, and then it uses Lead Magic to find of those 2 additional people that it finds before it then adds that to a campaign inside of Smart Lead.
So this is why this is an intelligently designed workflow, because it is not using the email addresses. It is not using up the email addresses from Apollo, right? It is taking the email addresses from some other tool, although Apollo can also provide the email addresses, probably because the other tool is more cost effective. So this is what an AI agent can help you to do, because it can connect to different tools. You can really use tools based on your needs. And the other bit here is that you don't have to be a technical from a technical background to do this, right? If you're a business user, as long as you know what I call the best practices of sales and marketing, and you're able to visualize how systems can work with each other, you can pretty much design this kind of a workflow. So this is where the best practices become, knowledge of best practices becomes so useful, right? So it is not like basically who are the people to whom the invites need to be sent. So it depends on the function, the seniority, designation. Sometimes it may not be mentioned the designation, but still the person could be doing a certain job, right? So and of course this has to be the output that you get from here, like finally how many people sign up, right? This can be tweaked. The instruction that you can give here can be tweaked, and that's exactly what, when you say prompt enhancement or prompt engineering, which is done by an entire team, right? This is what it boils down to. Right, so I hope I just wanted to I came across this like a well-designed workflow. I thought I should share it with you, and like some of the two things which really stand out here. One is the way the how the agent has connected two different tools to save on costs, and the other bit is this custom instructions, which seem simple, but the knowledge of best practices here become very important.